Hi there, here we have the 2015 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This is the 2.1 A200 CDI Sport 5-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So it does have the front xenon headlights. Front bumper, as you can see, nice and clean. There is no scratches, no scuffs. Moving on to the bonnet. Once again, as you can see there, so there is no dents, no chips, no scratches, so nothing untoward onto the front. It does have a very nice color combination. We've got the black with the gloss black alloys, and as you can see there, they are in great condition. They are not been marked or anything like that. Finish off with the black tinted windows at the back as well. So very nice color combination. Rushmores have done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. So as you can see there, the back bumper as well, usually there would be marks all over here when you're loading and unloading from the boot. However, that is not the case. The car is nice and clean, and as you saw there, the back bumper as well, there is no scuffs, no scratches. Car is HPI clear as well, so we do a full HPI check on every car that comes into Rushmores. So there's not been any accidents, not been stolen or broken into, and the mileage is all correct as well. RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the vehicle. You do have the option to extend your warranty as well up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend at Rushmores. If you wanted a bit more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here or even over the phone, we can definitely give you more options. You've seen the exterior in great condition. Let's jump inside the interior as well. So front passenger door, as you can see there is no marks. It does have the front electric window. It does have the white stitching on the door there, so it does gives it a nice finish. Seats as well, they are half leather seats. So as you can see, they're sport seats with the half leather, and it does also have the white stitching as you see just there. Dash is also nice and clean, as you can see there. There is no marks on the dash there. Screen as well, there is no scratches on the screen. So as you can see there, the sport seats. Back seats are half leather as well, as you can see there. In great condition. So we've done a full valet on the vehicle as well. So the car's been fully valeted by us as well, as you can see there. Nice and clean seats. It does also have the Isofix, so nice safety point for the children. Rear windows also do have the electric as well, so the back windows are fully electric. Let's have a look at the boot space as well. Being the A-Class, it does have a fair boot space, as you see there, so pretty nice and big. Obviously being the A-Class, it does have a nice boot. Back seats, once again, let's have a look there, just to show you how clean this car really is. It is also pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Right, okay, so driver side door, as you can see there, it does have the switches there for the electric windows, so front and rear. You do also have your electric door mirrors, so they can be adjusted on the door. Electric lights, here we have the auto lights there, so during the night the lights will automatically flick on. We do also have the electric handbrake just down there. Full leather multifunctional steering wheel, as you can see, in great condition. Right, let's turn on the screen. does also have the front armrest. Right, so on the screen there, you do have the Bluetooth phone, so you can connect your phone through the screen there, and then if there is any calls that come through, you can either answer them onto the on the steering wheel there without touching your phone at all, or even just there with the button, so you don't have to touch your phone whilst you're driving. Audio, so we do have the radio. You can also connect your phone through Bluetooth and play your music. So if you wanted to play your music through YouTube, Spotify, you name it, it definitely can be done. So that's another feature there as well. Aircon. And as you see there, it does also have the paddle shift, so the plus and minus, and then the windscreen wipers as well on this side, and then your gear select on your right. Right, so just a recap before we finish off the video. As you saw there, the car is in great condition inside and out, and will not disappoint on viewing. Rushmore's have done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so it all comes in with the price of the vehicle, and you do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. If there is any further questions on the vehicle, or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. You can definitely call us or email us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Alright, thanks for watching.